guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing pregnancy update week 33 and 34. As you guys can see, my whole background is so pretty and pink. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna wear my super comfortable robe. So this is my new setup. For those of you who are wondering, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little tour so that you know. The blanket is from Home Goods. This pillow is from Home Goods. This right here, the pink one, is from Rosa. It's two of them. The Hello one and the super sparkly one, it is from Home Goods as well. This little bunny, I got it at the Dollar Tree. No, actually, I got it at the 99 cents. The chandeliers, it is from Marshall's, I believe. The flowers are from Michael's. The little lights, which I'm going to turn them on so you guys can see how it looks. There you go, that's how the light looks, and I got it at the 99-cent store. The flower and garden basket, I got it from the Dollar Tree. Flowers are from Michael's. And over here we have that candle from Bath & Body Works. I was going to use it for Rosa's room, but right now I'm using it here. The little box is from the 99-cent store. So for week 33 and 34, we were at 162 pounds. So pretty much each week I gain a pound. A half a pound to a pound, depends. But this time, yeah, we're at 162 pounds. I had an ultrasound, everything went well. I'm going to show you guys a few clips of my ultrasound. Well, actually I can't record when I'm in the actual room getting the ultrasound done, but I did film a little clip to give you guys an update of what was happening at the moment, because I feel like my life is so hectic that I kind of forget what goes on, and if I don't document it, I literally won't remember. An appointment for our baby, and apparently it's at 4.5 pounds. Excited, everything's good, no more follow-ups, so that's great. I'm happy that we don't have to come back. You're saying, hey, I'm almost out there. It is 4.5 pounds, and it's a really happy baby because it moves a lot. This shirt, I got it at Motherhood, and I'm wearing a nursing bra. Not that I'm nursing, but they're just so comfortable. But anyways, yeah, so that's I'm working on packing my stuff, so I pretty much have everything ready. I've been cleaning a lot. I've been decluttering every room, just getting rid of the things that I no longer need or want. I do plan on taking it to like a flea market first, so I can try to like get some money and sell some of my old items that are still in good conditions. Or if that doesn't work out, if I can't make it there, so that I can have kind of like a yard sale. You can say it's not a yard sale, but it's an actual place where everyone gathers and they all sell their stuff that they no longer want. So that's the plan. But if that doesn't work out, I'll try to do a yard sale, because I wanted to get Rosa and Diego involved so that they can make their own money, and they can also sell whatever they no longer want, like their toys, and they can just, you know, learn that you can make, there's ways to make money. And so yeah, that was the plan for this weekend. Hopefully it happens, but if it doesn't happen, then I'm probably going to take it to like a Goodwill so that I can just donate the things that I no longer need, which is a lot of stuff. I have a lot of things inside the garage that I already went through, and I just picked the ones that look the best, whether it's clothing, shoes, whatever it is that I found. I just want to get rid of it, you know? I'm wearing my really pretty pink blush robe right now, and it smells really, really bad. And it's not because it's dirty. I had it with some slippers that I got. They're kind of like, they're made out of, I want to say fur. And you know, like that smell of fur is kind of like strong. It has kind of, I would say, glue. It smells like glue. So I don't know, I'm going to have to wash this as soon as I'm done with this video, because it's really strong and I really don't like it. So yeah, I'm working on my hospital bag. I'm working on the baby's stuff. I did some laundry yesterday, and yesterday I went through all of Leo's old clothes that he used when he was a baby, and most of it was pretty neutral. It was grays and whites, so it's definitely gonna work out for this baby, whether it's a boy or a girl. If it's a girl, I can always just put a big white bow or gray, and it'll be perfect. But if it's a boy, then there you have it. He has his little outfits. Honestly, if it's a boy, I'm set. I don't have to buy anything because I have a lot of things from Leo when he was a baby. Leo's only, what, 14 months old? So yeah, it is really good that they're going to be really close together in age. But if it's a girl, I honestly don't have much. I did purchase a few things that I want to show you. Yeah, so I'll show you a few items that I got that I'm planning on bringing to the hospital, like I mentioned to you guys before on my other video. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I did get a blanket that is pink, which is right here. And I'm planning on washing it and just bringing a blanket and a little outfit. The girl, I will definitely have something ready for her. Yeah, so we're super excited. Like I mentioned to you guys, I did have my crib. I ended up returning the crib because it was just not going to work out. Like literally, nope, it's not going to work out. The crib was white. It was I don't want to say it was white. It was kind of like pearl white. But it was one of those mini cribs that I thought it was going to be perfect. But when it got here, I thought it was too small. So therefore, I was like, it's not going to work out. Let's return it. I'll just wait until the baby gets here. And if it's a girl or a boy, I already know exactly what I want. So I'll just order it right away and then work on the nursery. And eventually I'll show you guys how our little nursery will look, which is really small because Rosa and the baby are going to be sharing a room. And no, you guys, the baby won't be sleeping in Rosa's room. The baby's going to sleep with me because for the most part, we are going to be breastfeeding. And when you breastfeed, you guys, you literally breastfeed every 2 hours. So I don't want to be picking the baby up every 2 hours from Rosa's room. So I'm going to wait until the baby's a little older for him or her to move into Rosa's room. But of course, if it's napping during the day, I'll just place it in Rosa's room. But not at nighttime. I know somebody on the comments was like, you are so inconsiderate to put the baby inside with, you know, with Rosa, inside Rosa's room. But I'm like, no, that's not how it's going to work out. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, so other than that, I've been feeling pretty tired. My legs hurt a lot. Last night I couldn't sleep. It was really hard for me to sleep. And also major headaches that I cannot get rid of them from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep. Some days are better than others. I did talk to my doctor and ask him what was wrong with that or if that's normal. He said that that's completely normal. It is part of the pregnancy, which is kind of strange because that never happened to me before. So this is the first time that I get headaches towards the end of my pregnancy. Baby's moving good. Baby's growing. We're just cleaning the house, getting everything together, organizing, and I think I'm ready. Whenever it comes, I think we pretty much got everything that we need. Oh no, actually no. I don't have a double stroller. Somebody on the comments down below on my other pregnancy update did mention to me a stroller. I did look into it, and we're still debating what kind of stroller I want. I did talk to my mom. I show her the one that I want, and I show her the one that you guys recommended on the comments. The one that was really lightweight. I forget the brand of the stroller. I am going to be using my car seat stroller once again, which I'm very happy I have. I washed everything already, so I just have to like maybe clean it up, like the wheels and everything else, so that it looks really nice and fresh. So that's one thing I will have to work on over the weekend. I want to organize my closet. I already organized Rosa's closet. Diego's closet is clean. What else? Oh, also, I want to work on my front yard. I want to plant some really pretty flowers right by the entrance. So that's one thing that I am planning on doing before the baby arrives. I know it's probably not necessary, but I just want to do it. I don't know why. Because we used to have flowers, but then they died, and now it looks really dry and not cute. So every time I'm pulling into my house, I'm like, oh, it looks so horrible. I have to fix it. So that's another project that I'm working on before the baby gets here. So it is the backyard, Rosa's room, and the front, the front of my house. I'm excited. The kids are excited. Leo is super happy. I don't think he understands that there's a baby coming, but I'm sure he's gonna be surprised. I think we'll see how he reacts. I can't wait to see. I will definitely record his reaction when he sees the baby. I think he's probably gonna be confused. Like, hey, who is this? Who knows, right? And some babies take it different than others. But I think Leo will do just fine. I'm gonna show you guys my baby bump so that you guys can see it. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Tomorrow I'll be 35 weeks pregnant. And we'll see how it goes. I will give you guys an update of 35 and 36. I'm going to try to keep it short and simple so that you guys don't get bored with my stories. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments down below, how are you doing for week 33 and 34 of your pregnancy? How is everything? Do you have everything ready? Do you have your hospital bag, your baby bag? I would love to know if there's any tips that you guys have. I mean, this is not my first rodeo. So I've been doing this, this is my 4th time. So I think I know what I need and what I don't need. And I'm going to be filming a video of my hospital bag and what I'm going to bring with me for me and the baby. So I will show you guys that pretty soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next one.